Tia, where'd this come from? It says Tia. Yes, is that for you? Oh, yes. Okay, ma'am. Are you going to open it? What is it? Where'd you get that present? Huh? Where'd you get that present? What is it? You are such a lucky girl. Oh my gosh, Tia, that's Ariel. The princess. It's your own towel. Say thank you, Kimmy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Say I love you.
I love you, Mama.
I love you, Tia, but say I love you, Kimmy.
I love Daddy.
And Kylie.
I love Daddy.
And Harley.
I love Daddy.
And I love you, Ted.
I love you, Dad.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you blow a kiss? Oh, beautiful. Hi, what's your name?
Mama, baby.
I love you.